I have a 2010 through 15 Camaro drl/foglight plug and play adapter. I got this from eBay, $13. So to get to it, you gotta remove those 3 screws. They're the star shaped, I guess. I don't know the correct name, but I use this tool to get them out. Those 3, remove them, put to the side, and then it's up there about the fog light with that purple clips. And you just squeeze and you pull out. Looks like that with the pins. Looks like on the inside. So it matches. All you do is you're gonna have to plug it in. I'm doing this with one hand, so you're gonna plug it in. It only fits one way, so you can't really mess it up. And then once you do that, then you plug in the other side of this adapter up into there. So you can't really mess it up. Just take your time, and after you do that, you'll put the 3 screws back on, and then you should be able to have halo light and the fog lights work at the same time. So I will post the video of that. But it's just a simple process. So give me 1 second. So I already plugged this part of the adapter in to the original socket. Here's a brand new black and quartz, so you can tell it's brand new. And then from there, I'll stick this part in there. It's just hard to do this with one hand, but you shouldn't have that much trouble with it. You hear a little click. That's the way it looks. So nothing really hanging or dangling. It's just a new part. Just press it in and make sure it's in there tight.